Galaxy A54 is about to launch, but we already get enough of it to form an opinion either we should get it or not. And the price of the Galaxy A54 is something debatable. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Galaxy A54 will be out on March 16. Some YouTubers already have the phone, and we even have the unboxing video of the Galaxy A54 which shows what we are going to get. And also, we get the official posters of the Galaxy A54 which confirms the specification of the Galaxy A54. According to Roland, in some countries, Galaxy A54 will come with the free Galaxy Buds too, and you can get one for yourself from March 15 to April 2nd. Now before going for A54, make sure to know about the price as it is expensive. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to get the Galaxy A54? An Austrian retailer listed the Galaxy A54, and to be very honest, the phone is expensive. As of now, he listed the price at 500 euros for 128 gigs version and 550 euros for 256 gigs version. Now in some countries, there is a difference of at least 50 euros, so you can expect around 600 euros price for the Galaxy A54 256 gigs version, which is too much, since you can explore other options including the Pixel 7 with the Tensor Gen 2 chipset, which is much better than what we are going to get on the Galaxy A54. Along with the A54, we get the price of A34, which will cost you around 390 euros for 128 gigs and 460 euros for 256 gigs version. Both phones comes with the expandable storage option. The camera specs of Galaxy A54 is out, where we're going to get 50 megapixel main shooter with OIS optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 32 megapixel selfie shooter. And as per recent rumors, Galaxy A54 will going to come with the night photography, which is better to have on the Galaxy A54. The battery on the Galaxy A54 will be slightly bigger than the last generation at 5100 mAh instead of 5000 on last generation. There's not much of a big difference, and as a safe guess, it will give you about the same performance as last year's Galaxy device. It can only get better if the new Exynos 1380 processor will be better in power efficiency, as it all depends on power efficiency. And as per Samsung, I think we are not going to see a light mode option in the A54, but Galaxy A54 will going to come with One UI 5.1. If you guys want to see the difference between the Galaxy A54 versus A53, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.